Hey everybody, how we doing today? My name is Michael and welcome to Misfits Adventures. Hey, you guys know what to do first, right? Go ahead and go down below. Go ahead and give us that big old like. Yeah, after that, go ahead and subscribe. Hey, and if you ring the bell, you're going to get notifications every time we have a video out. Hey, we'll be right back. Well, hey everybody, we're back. Hey, how are you guys doing today? I started my video off and been recording it for a good, I don't know, like 20, 30 minutes and found out that the microphones were off. Duh. I know, that's how I feel sometimes. Anyways, guys, I'm here today. My back is killing me. We haven't put out a video in a week. I need to get a video out for you guys today. I need to tell you about what's going on and all of our trials and tribulations that we're having. And nothing really bad, but just time consuming. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hey, if you guys haven't done it already, go ahead and subscribe. You know, that helps us out immensely. Check out and see if you're still subscribed. If you think you are, you might not be. We appreciate that. We want to get up to at least 2,000 folks. So help us. Anyways, guys, let me tell you what's going on. I got stuck. We got stuck on the project. The AC, the Gidrock air conditioner, inverter air conditioner. I'm trying to put in. I'm trying to just get the batteries, everything done with that, and trying to do the air conditioner at the same time. And it's kind of not working. I'm going to have to do one or the other and do it like that way. But what's going on right now is the air conditioner has some pieces that we need. I need an extension kit, and the nice folks are going to send us out one free of charge, and that's really super nice of them. I had to call. I wrote the lady that is my marketing person and my contact, and I talked to them and I said, hey, I wrote them and said, listen, I blah blah blah, and she said, okay, let me see if we've got one and I'll get back to you. And then I also, before she wrote me back and told me that part of it, I went ahead and got on the support for Gitrod. Gitrocks, it's actually a pretty good support system. Right off the bat, they answered me back like within a day. And they said, hey, we're going to go send one out to you. What's your address? And blah, blah, blah. So I gave them all that information. They sent one out, I guess, from China to here. So it's an extension kit for the air conditioner. Meanwhile, the nice folks at the marketing company that want me to do this video for them, they said, hey, if you want to go and buy one to get this done, they're out there. You can find one. We'll pay for it. Well, at the same time, the other company said, or the main company said, we're going to send you one. So I was like, well, let me go ahead and buy one. So I went and bought one, $52. And Dione and I don't really have a lot of money to spend on this stuff, but we were going to do it. And we got the $52 we spent. And we got it the other day. We haven't got the one from Gitrock, but we got this one from another company that we had to pay for. Summit, I believe, Summit 2 is the name of the company that supplies these. So it's an extension kit for all the rooftop air conditioners that are the 12-volt inverter type. There's different brands out there, different names, different face plates on them, different nameplates on them, pretty much all the same system, I believe. This one is, I like it, the design of it much better. It's got lower profile and all that stuff, so I really like it. Plus it was free and they're giving it to me and we're reviewing it. So this is not the review for this now, okay? I'm just trying to get stuff connected so we can get this all working so I can do a review on it. So 3 weeks later, I'm doing the wiring still for the battery. I had it all done and I didn't like the way it was or how it was, or if water got on it or whatever. My table's all screwed up here. It moves, so if something tipped over and got water down in it and shorted out the battery, would probably cause a fire or something. Probably wouldn't, but you know what I'm saying. I just don't want to cause any problems here. So we went ahead and I mounted everything on a board and put it underneath there, and it didn't work out too well. Where I mounted the board was, everything was crowded on the board to begin with, but where I went to go mount it was the backrest to the bench seat behind us, so, or behind you. And so, yeah, that wasn't going to work out. So I got a bigger piece of wood. I'm going to do that right now, and that's part of the video today. The air conditioner part, I'm still waiting for GetRock to send me their extension kit. They said flat out that it was a 5.5. This one never said it was a 5.5. It said that it would fit, but I think what I have to do is cut the little, I have to cut the screws down. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And I probably will also have to cut down the tube for the cool air return coming out. So I don't want to have to do that. I want to be able to maybe give this product back to the company that I got it from and say, hey, I got one already. Get me my $52 back, or tell the marketing company, hey, send me a check or whatever. But I don't want to do that either. So I think I'm just going to send it back if GetRods works out. If it's the same one, doesn't matter. I'll cut up one of them and send one of them back. It doesn't really matter. So that's what we're doing today. I'll show you the air conditioner. I already took the board down. Like I said, I had 20 minutes of this video done, and the microphones weren't on. I'm going to pick this one up one more time. It's on. And this one should be on too. Yep, it's on too. All right, guys. Dion's at work till about 4. It's 2 o'clock now, so we got 2 hours. I kind of want to get this board mounted and ready to go. I'll show you another part that came in yesterday. If I could find it. Where did it go? It's over here. There it is. This is part of the system. So far, money-wise, I had bought a switch for $42. It's a thermal coupler switch for the battery, so it doesn't ruin the battery. I also bought these bus bars, and I'll show you those in a few minutes. The wires that I had to buy were pretty expensive because they're all copper, copper connectors. What else? And yeah, in the battery. So the battery after tax was $727. All the other pieces were probably total in price with the cables and everything else was probably $110. This was $99. I just bought it. What this is a, what do they call it? Hold on a second. It's a shun is what it is. You can see how thick this brass is here and right there. Yeah, so it's a shun. It goes between the bus bar here for negative, the bus bar here going out, or excuse me, this here going to the battery itself on the terminal. The wires here are, this one goes to the positive, and then these go to other devices if you buy them from Victron, which we will because they're pretty good devices. This is Bluetooth, and it will tell me what the temperature is of the battery itself, how much it's charged, how much it needs to be charged, what the charge rate is, how everything's doing. It's the health of the battery, and this will show me. I got it pretty much all done. I'm waiting for the parts for the air conditioner, and I was thinking to myself, well, when I mount this all underneath the bench seat, how am I going to be able to see how it's charging or not charging? Is the charger that we bought working? Is it going to overheat? What's it going to do? I don't know. So I would like to have something that tells me. So this connects to my phone. I picked this one because of the brand name. I can put, I guess, this is what this one is, auxiliary, I guess, right here, the gray one. The auxiliary will go on to maybe like a, oh gosh, I don't know, like a another battery maybe, or maybe going to, I know this one clips into a solar charger because it's got a connector right here. So it all fits together, it all reads together. It all computes together, and it all has a software to where I can get on my laptop or my PC or my phone, and I can see all the information on the battery and the system itself. So that's what we're going to start with. This is $100, $99, $107 to ship it. So yeah, this is going to work real heavy duty. So I'm going to put this up together and do all this today, and that's it. By that time, Dione should be home. Then we're going to get up and we're going to run down to Lowe's. I need a piece of 2x2s because the desk is shaking when I do this. I want the desk not to ever shake, and I don't want to lose anything, metal, glass, water, anything down to where the battery is to short anything out. So we want to keep this all safe. That battery is massive, and I don't want to blow up my camper. This is my home. So yeah, we don't want to do that. All right, guys, I've been talking a lot. Let's go get some work done here. I'll show you how I'm doing this, or excuse me, what I'm doing. And we'll be right back, okay? All right, guys, I got all the tools out. I'm doing it right now. This is what I got going. I put the board right there. Got the negative and the positive bus bars there. It's all plugged in, actually. I do not have the breaker on, so nothing is going to go to power the air conditioner yet. But it's there. The Bluetooth shun is working. You can see the Bluetooth is on. Yeah. So yeah. Big old battery. See how much it's charged. We'll get on the phone in just a couple seconds and see. I've got this temporarily in there, this piece of wood. It's where I want it. I'm going to move it around a little bit though. And yeah, I think this is perfect right here. Except for it's really close to the battery, and we're going to have to put something blocking it from hitting everything. So yep, we be doing it. That took me about an hour. Let me show you what the problem is with the air conditioner. Up here, this is what I needed. I needed this, but I needed 5.5 inches. I believe this one here is 7 to 8.5 inches, something like that. So this is where the cold air spills out. This is the input where the cool air or warm air comes in. I got some problems with these too. You see how long they are. You can't find these. If GitRock sends me, or when they do send me theirs, they are sending me it. When they do send them, hopefully they're 5.5 inches. And if not, we're going to take these and cut them, and then we're going to end up having to pay for this. And then cut this down also so it'll fit. This hole up right here that you see right there, yeah, that hole, this hole is where the control board goes and the intake goes, and then around the whole thing is another one that goes all the way around it, and I will put that on as soon as I get done. Yeah, so I got that done. I'm trying to find the other one of these. I got it, but not the little, yeah, that little rubber thingy on the end of it. I need to find someplace in here. It dropped. Anyways, so this is what we got going today. I'm gonna kind of quit for now. We're gonna go and get the go and get some wood from Lowe's and go get some food for 4th of July tomorrow. But yeah, this is our Friday project. All right, guys. Talk to you in a minute. All right, guys. So I got the shun put on. I got the board put down there. I kind of placed it down there and screwed it in with one screw, but it's really tight, so it's not going to move around right now. I want to see how this works first, and then after that we can adjust it and then go ahead and tighten everything down, make sure battery's tightened and everything else. I got the app on right now. I went ahead and downloaded it earlier today, and or actually last night. Let's see. Gonna pair it now, hopefully. There we go. Gives you a password of like 1, 2, 3, 4. There. All right, 20%. It's uploading now, or downloading now. Now what? Bluetooth pairing request. Enter pairing pin with smart shunt. So I got it downloaded on the phone, but it didn't work. So I'm re-downloading it now. Allow. Next. I'm gonna scan, they gave me a QR code that is on the instructions on a little separate little piece of flap here. There was a little sticker that was supposed to go on the box, I guess, but they didn't. Same code as probably the, that's on the module itself. So the shunt, let me see if I can get this now. All right. Figured out how to do it. There is a code on that little piece of paper. The instructions, it's a little tab right there that they had pasted on there. It's supposed to go on the box, I guess. Well, it has the passcode on it. So I got the passcode on it, which I'm not gonna change. I'll leave it on that one. And let's see if I can get it to work. Oh, look, battery's 100%. Everything's good underneath it. We don't have any loads on it. We don't have anything on it. It's just the battery's connected. That's all it is. So that's pretty cool. Battery voltage is 13.46. Current is nothing right now. So yeah. All right. This is pretty cool. Update available. Let's update it real quick. Yeah, update ain't gonna be too quick. All right, guys, I am gonna call it quits. I'm gonna clean up. Dione should be on her way home, and then I gotta get ready, and we're gonna go down back into Palm Springs a little bit and do what we gotta do this afternoon. Go get some food for tomorrow and a little shopping today and that sort of stuff since I got paid today. Yay. All right, still working on the projects.